In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your cheap furniture look really expensive. What is up guys, and welcome back to episode 4 of Fix It. In today's video, we will be renovating a bedroom drawer as well as 2 bedside tables to make them look more expensive with very easy steps. So stay tuned guys, this is going to help you quite a lot. So I'm pretty sure most of you are familiar with this type of wood furniture. It is called pressed wood covered in a melamine finish. It is the cheaper way to go when buying wood furniture, but it doesn't always look that nice. I'm going to take this specific type of wood furniture and transform it into something amazing with this product right here. This is the Plascon Velveglow non-drip enamel paint specifically formulated for this type of furniture. So let's not waste any time and let's transform these cupboards into something spectacular. So we have 2 of these bedside tables that we're going to do, as well as a bedroom drawer. We're going to give it a fresh coat of nice quality paint, as well as install some new knobs to give it a completely different look. So as you guys can see here, we have 2 holes that we covered up with this wood filler. Those holes came from the previous handle, which was this, not a very high quality knob, also not very modern, and we are going to install this specific knob. We cannot use these holes as it would make it off center. As we're only using one, it will not look very good, so we want it in the center. So that is why we covered up these holes. So after covering these holes, you do want to take some sandpaper, just run over it really quickly, just to make sure that the surface is flat and smooth as it was before the holes were covered. So now that we've done that, we flattened the surface, we covered up the holes, we are ready to apply the paint. Here we go. So that is it for our video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, click that subscribe button as well. Leave your thoughts in the comments, as well as put on that notification bell for future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, be kind to one another and do it yourself.